Some of you still seem to have some difficulty with signing up into the Evolve online course or adopting your textbooks as resources. So I'm going to use this short video to be able to show you how to do that. First of all, you'll use your username when you sign in and just click submit, and this will bring up your course or your Evolve. And over to the side you'll notice that you have a pick list of resources, courses to pick from. First of all, resources are books that I have adopted, or textbooks that I have adopted that was published by Elsevier. And as you can see, I've adopted my Ackley's Nursing Diagnosis book, which you can do also on the freshman level and on transition level if you have that. And this is the Iggy MedSurg 6th edition book, which is the MedSurg book that we use in our program, and the Key Pharmacology 6th edition, the Silvestri Saunders Comprehensive Review book, and most everybody will have that also. And of course I also have the Varkarolus psych book that we use on the sophomore level. Now, to be able to adopt a resource or a book, then all you have to do is come up here, type in search, and I'm just going to put in Ackley's, and let's hit search and see if I can find it that way. You want to scroll down, and here is the Ackley's 8th edition. So what you want to do, once you find the book that you need here, you got resources, you just want to click register, and this will take you in where you can register for your book, which I already have it in mine. But what you want to do is come over here and you can do save for later or update, but what you want to do is just go ahead and click on register, and this will take you in and register your book in your portion of your area there. And you do that with each book that you have. Now we need to go back to our home page, and of course this is my faculty home page, but as you can see, that's how you adopt for your books under resources. Now courses is your online courses, so here you want to click courses, and you should have, when you adopted your online course with your ID and access code that come with your book, you should be able now to have under courses your Key Pharmacology 6th edition. You want to click on that. This will now take you into your Key Pharmacology text. Once you adopt this book as a resource and a course, you will have under course documents resources, which is your textbook, and course. You want to click on course because you're enrolled now in the online portion of it. As you can see here, it says Pharmacology Online. Here I'm going to show you a few things. Our first assignment, of course, was in study modules, and I wanted you to do study module 1. And as you can see, there's a lot of areas under study module 1, but I just wanted you to do the 5 basic areas of pharmacology. As you will see here, there's different areas that will take you through, which is what we're discussing this week. And you can just keep clicking on next, and it takes you through that. It only takes you about 30 minutes to get through that material, and it gives you some learning activities also. Now I will go through and show you under your documents what you can do there in your resources. Here you want to click on unit resources. This will take you then to your chapter activities. As you can see here, you've got different areas here. You've got your unit 1, which is your chapters 1 through 3, and as you know that we are now working on chapters 1 and 2 and 7. So here is your case studies. Once you're issued any case studies, you want to do those. I do not have discussion threads on here. We put that on our WebCT. But here's your interactive learning activities, and these are really good. This will take you through different types of learning activities, multiple choice, matching, stuff like that. Now, once you scroll down even more, you're going to see flashcards. These are very good also. These are good about testing you on your definitions or just your memory. And then you can actually go into your flashcards on these. And like I said, they are very good when you get into drugs that you're trying to study. Let's go back. And now we will go into practice quizzes for NCLEX examination. Again, these are like practice quizzes that you can go through for your different chapters. And a lot of times they just have 10 or 15 questions, and it will score you afterwards and give you a score. These are all activities that is within your online course. Again, as you see here, you got your chapters underneath your units that we will be going through. There's quite a few of them. So there's a lot of areas that you can use in this book. Also, I've also had some questions about the drug calculations portion in here. This is to accompany Chapter 4, and it's in Unit 2. This is a very good online activities for you to do if you're having troubles with how to do some of the math that you may have in your class. So it's also very good. It has some interacting learning activities that you can do also in that one. You have a lot of different areas, like I said, in this that you can work on. This will also help you later on when you take the next pharmacology course. But if you have any questions, please let me know.